Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware piece that promises to elevate your culinary game and add a splash of personality to your kitchen. We're talking about the Cuisinart Culinary Collection Nonstick Skillet, specifically in this stunning sapphire color. Now, I know what you're thinking, another nonstick skillet. But Cuisinart claims to have something special here, and we're going to put it to the test. Let's start with what truly matters in nonstick cookware, the release system. Cuisinart is touting their exclusive PURELYCERAMIC non-stick advanced release system. They say this is for superior cooking performance. What does that actually mean in practice? It means less sticking, easier cleanup, and the ability to cook with less oil or butter, which is a definite win for healthier cooking. We'll be testing this out with some notoriously sticky foods to see just how advanced this release system really is. Beyond the non-stick surface, Cuisinart has paid attention to the details that make cooking a pleasure. Each piece in this collection, including our 10-inch skillet, features cool grip stainless steel stick handles. The cool grip is key here. We've all experienced the frustration of a handle that gets too hot to hold, forcing us to scramble for oven mitts. These stainless steel handles are designed to stay cooler on the stovetop, and the stick part implies a secure attachment that won't loosen over time. The description also mentions ergonomic handles with finger grips, which should make maneuvering this skillet from stovetop to serving incredibly easy and comfortable. Versatility is also a major selling point for modern kitchens, and this skillet delivers. It's safe for all stovetops, and that includes induction. This is fantastic news for anyone with an induction cooktop, as not all non-stick pans are compatible. The fact that it comes with a lifetime warranty is also a significant confidence booster. It shows Cuisinart stands behind their product. Furthermore, they emphasize that these pans are free of PFOS, PFOA, and petroleum, and are manufactured without PFAS. This commitment to healthier materials is increasingly important for consumers, and it's good to see Cuisinart addressing these concerns. Now, let's talk about the aesthetics. This isn't just about function, it's about style too. The Cuisinart Culinary Collection boasts flawless stunning colors, and this sapphire hue is absolutely gorgeous. It's a deep, rich blue that will definitely add a pop of color to your kitchen. The smooth ceramic gray-colored interiors complement the exterior beautifully, creating a sophisticated look. Cuisinart describes the pieces as contoured for style, and you can see that in the gentle curves of this skillet. It's not just a tool, it's a piece that you'll be happy to have on display. So, what are the pros and cons of this Cuisinart Culinary Collection non-stick skillet? On the pro side, we have that advanced PURELYCERAMIC non-stick coating which promises superior performance and healthier cooking. The cool grip stainless steel handles are designed for comfort and safety, and the compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, makes it incredibly versatile. The lifetime warranty provides excellent peace of mind, and the absence of harmful chemicals like PFAS is a major plus. And, of course, the striking sapphire color adds a beautiful aesthetic to any kitchen. Now for potential cons, though at this price point and with these features, they might be minor. Ceramic non-stick, while generally durable, can sometimes be more prone to scratching than some of the older generation PTFE coatings if metal utensils are used. However, with proper care and the use of silicone or wooden utensils, this shouldn't be an issue. Also, while it's a 10-inch skillet, which is a good size for many tasks, some might prefer a larger or smaller option depending on their household size or cooking habits. However, this is a common size for a versatile skillet. In conclusion, the Cuisinart Culinary Collection non-stick skillet in sapphire is more than just a cooking pan. It's a well-designed, aesthetically pleasing, and functional piece of cookware that prioritizes your health and cooking experience. From its advanced non-stick capabilities to its comfortable handling and broad stovetop compatibility, it's built to perform. The Cuisinart name carries weight, and with a lifetime warranty and a commitment to PFA-free materials, this skillet seems like a solid investment for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials with a touch of vibrant style. Link in the description.